It's amazing, the exciting features that the new upgraded tracker.ng app has in place for its users. Very easy to access. You will have to go to the Apple or the Google Play Store to have this app downloaded to your phone. This is a very short video on how to get the best out of the app in question, and maybe point you at the key features the app has in place. Once you have the app on your phone, click on it. Easy. Log in with your login details. Let's use this test account for the demonstration. Once you are logged in, voila, there you are. So you log in and you can first see the real-time location of where your vehicle is at. See the real-time location, see the movement. You can see this vehicle is parked. You can see the address to where the vehicle is parked. Not only can you see where it is, you can also have a street view look at the vehicle. This here is just amazing, it's just brilliant. So you could see a 360 street view of where the vehicle is, just for tracking purposes. You can change your orientation if you so wish, probably from the map view to, say, the satellite view. I mean, you can always zoom in if there's a need for that, and maybe zoom out to get better perspective. So that's first. You can track and see this real-time location. Second is the fact that you can monitor the vehicle. By monitoring, what we mean is you can play back and see previous places the vehicle has been to. Let's just do this very quick playback and see where this vehicle has been to previously. So this is the last previous movement that this vehicle made. So this comes in handy if there's a need for you to investigate your driver, or maybe get out reports of previous movements and things to that regards. And then lastly, God forbid, in very extreme times, maybe vehicle is stolen, God forbid, you can get control of the vehicle by demobilizing the vehicle movement. Just quickly come in here, and then you can see the cutoff engine. Once you click here and you click on confirm, the vehicle stops moving wherever it is, and you can restart the vehicle movement if you click restore, and it starts moving where it is. So a quick wrap, and thank you.